In this video, I will show you how to connect n8 and MCP to Claude AI. From the Claude platform chat lobby, select the plus icon, then go to Connectors, then hover over to Manage Connectors and click on it. From here, click on the plus icon on the top, then choose Browse Connectors. Now search for n8n. Select n8n and click on the Connect button. Over here, you will be asked to input your own n8n server address. Go to your n8n account in a new tab. From the menu, go to the Settings option, then choose the Instance Level MCP option. The server URL will be located on the top right under Connection Details. Go ahead and copy the URL, and then you will want to paste that back into Claude's tab here. Then select Continue. A new menu will show up, and you want n8n to allow access to Claude. Check the I recognize and trust this URL and click on Allow. Now that it is connected, you can modify the settings for what Claude can access. If you go to a new chat and click on the plus icon and then hover to Connectors, you will see n8n is now available